Hello, girls and boys. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach of Rockland. Very excited to be with you again. This will be our last video talking about how we can solve subtraction number sentences using a variety of things, whether it be dots or balloons that we draw or objects around the house. We've talked about our fingers before because wherever you go, you have your fingers and you can always use them, especially for the problems we're solving right now. So for example, we have here 3, right? 3, take away 1. So you could always show your fingers like this. You could say, I have 3 fingers up, right? And now I'm going to take away 1 finger. And how many fingers are left? Let's count. 1, 2. So we're going to write down, find my marker, I'm going to write down 2. Okay? So we know that 3 take away 1 is 2. All right, so let's try another one. We're going to put down this number sentence, which says 10 take away 4 is what? Maybe you want to try it right now. Think about what you will get if you have 10 and you take away 4. And then let's try it with our fingers. So we have 10, right? We have 5 and 5 makes 10. Okay, little addition for you. Now if we take away 4, I'm going to take away 4 fingers, how many do we have left? I still have these 5 plus this one, so that's 5, 6. So 10 take away 4 is 6. Okay, even if I took away these 4, right, then I have these 5 plus this one. It doesn't matter which 4 you take away, okay? If I took away 2 from each side, I still have 6 left, 6 fingers left. Okay, so let's write that down. 10 take away 4 is 6. So we just solved a subtraction number sentence. So if you have this paper, you may use it. So here we have 9 take away 2. So we could show 9 fingers. I'm going to show, oh, I have 8, sorry. I get confused on the video. So we have 9. We have 5 here and 4 here. So it's 5, right? 6, 7, 8, 9. And now I'm going to take away 2. Okay? So, oh, looks like I just got a message. Sorry about that. I'm going to take away 2. So let's take away 2. 1, 2. Now I still have these 5 up. And I've got these 2 up, so I've got 5, 6, 7 fingers still up. Okay, so I started with 9, and I took away 2. This time I'm going to take away these 2. And I still have these 5. Okay, and, wait, I took away, sorry, I had 9. 9, take away 2. I have 5 plus 2 more is 7. All right, so I'm going to write down 7. Whew, Mr. McAndrew must be getting tired today. All right, so 9 take away 2 is 7. You can use your fingers. So if you don't have this paper, you can copy them down. You can pause the video, okay, and copy them down and try out different numbers. Maybe you can try any number that you want. You could just be like, what's 8 take away 4? Oh, it's 4. What's 3 take away 1? It's 2. What's 2 take away 1? It's 1, right? So you can do it anytime that you want. You could be traveling in the car and you're bored. You can do finger subtraction. You can also do finger addition. 2 and 2 is 4. All right, boys and girls. I'm going to use my fingers to wave goodbye. Have a good rest of your day. Practice your subtraction, okay? It's super fun, and it's going to get you ready for first grade and second grade. All right. Great job. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.